Please observe everybody from today onwards till to Saturday demonstrations. Right from the scratch. Mechanical, civil, BSc, even 10th standard student also can understand. Whatever content I am covering from today till to Saturday, from that content there will be a test on Sunday. In that test you have to score 60%. If you score 60%, then only you will be allowed to take the admission in law. After allowing to take the admission, you need to pay the fees in a single installment. Fees is 25,000 plus tax. Altogether 29,500. Everyday classes will be evening 6 to 8. 1 to 1.5 months, only 2 hours classes. Later on, I'll be slightly increasing half an hour or 1 hour per day. Every week Sunday test will be. In every test, try scoring minimum 60%. After 4 months, there will be one cumulative test for the placement purpose. In the 4 months, whatever content I am covering, from that content there will be a test. You should score minimum 60%. If you score minimum 60%, then you will be allowed for the placements. Every day one company will be scheduled. Till you get placed, you can keep attending the company. The last 2 months, both placements and advanced topics, mainly project development. Everybody will get placed if you score 60% in my exams. Content is very vast. Lot of seriousness, lot of dedication very much required. Daily you have to spend minimum 10 hours in front of your system after 1 week. Now initial 1 week, completely basic setup. You don't require to spend 10 hours per day. After 1 week, after 10 days, lot of content. To get more clarity in that content, crystal clear way, you have to prepare, you have to study, you have to practice minimum 10 hours. Please observe. You don't require to bother about year of pass out, percentages, branches, year losses in the middle. Finally, I wanted whether you finally graduated or not. If you are graduated and scored 60% in my exams, that is highly sufficient to get placed. Got it? So I will be placing you as a fresher no matter when you passed out. No matter what is your branch. I'll place you in the technical development, not in the support, not in the call center, not in the any kind of non-technical jobs. It's purely Java related full stack development. In these 6 months, you will be learning totally 19 skills from Java full stack. From very basics of the core Java till to most advanced topics like Spring microservices, Spring security, and Angular, and even developing one real-time project. If you are very serious, you can able to get every concept and getting placed within 4 to 4.5 months. First and foremost one, software setup. Setting up the software, whatever is required for the Java development. Mainly, three softwares required to start developing some Java programs. Let us see what are those softwares, from where we can download, After downloading, how to install. After installing, how to use, like a configuration, then usage of Hello World programs, everything I'll be showing. The softwares are, guys, first and foremost one, JDK, Java Development Kit. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. The very first software, the very first and very essential software, Java Development Kit. This is the main software which is used for developing Java programs. In order to develop core Java programs, core Java projects, you definitely required a JDK, Java Development Kit. Every system should have JDK to start developing Java programs, to learn Java programs. The second software, Edit Plus. It is one editor, like a notepad, one editor. By using this type of editors, we can develop Java program very easily. You can also use a notepad. Usage of the notepad is not recommended. You will be getting lot of difficulty for the first program itself. That is why I recommend any editor. Among several editors, I choose the Edit Plus, which is very simple. I'm using this Edit Plus from my starting of the career. Almost 23 years I'm using Edit Plus. It's a simple software to compose the program, to develop the program, to write the program, to type the program. We required one editor to type the program. You may be already aware of Notepad or MS Word. Most of the people knows MS Word to write some kind of documents. Similarly, to write Java program, we required one editor to write a Java program, to write a Java program, to type a Java program, to compose a Java program. We required one editor. I will be using Edit Plus. The third software, WinRAR. WinRAR is a third software. This WinRAR is used for compressing or uncompressing. Compressing or uncompressing. Some people already aware of zip file. Zip file is a compressed file. In order to develop a zip file, we require a WinRAR. The zip file can be unzipped, extracted by using WinRAR. By using WinRAR, we can compress or we can uncompress. Let us consider 10 files are there. All 10 files we can compress and make as a one file. That file is a zip file or RAR file. Zip file or RAR file. That is a compressed file. Let us consider you have a 200 folders. Managing 200 folders is little difficult. Assume you want to copy all the 200 folders into the pen drive. Then selecting all the files and sending to the pen drive. It may not be very convenient. What you can do is, you can take all 200 folders, you can compress and make a one zip file or RAR file. Manage that zip file or RAR file. You can copy into the pen drive or you can attach to the mail to send to other people. So compressing or compressed one can be uncompressing through WinRAR. By using WinRAR, we can compress the multiple files into one file, or you can uncompress one file into multiple files. Uncompressing or compressing can be done through WinRAR. Today I'll show you all these three softwares: downloading and installation. From where we can download, which one we can download, after downloading, how to install, what is the procedure to be followed for the installation. So before downloading, open Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer. We can easily open Windows Explorer by using a shortcut. I'll explain what is that shortcut to open Windows Explorer. Left to window key there is a, left to alt, there is a key with a window symbol. That window key and E both together. Window and E, window key and E key both together, automatically Windows Explorer is opening. Left to alt, there is a key with a Windows symbol. That key and E stands for Explorer. Both you have to press together. If you press both together, you will be getting Windows Explorer. In the Windows Explorer, left side you can see this PC. Left side you can see this PC. Select this PC or my PC or my computer or simple PC. Either PC or computer, whatever you are seeing in the left frame, select them. Inside your system, it will show what are the drives available. Generally, preferably 3 drives. C, D and E. Some systems will have only C and D. Some systems will have only C. So no matter how many drives are there, you are able to see the drives here. If multiple drives are there, like 2 drives are there, assume. One drive completely allocate for the operating system. In another drive, you can download and you can develop. Come on guys. If 2 drives are there, one drive, assume C drive, allocate completely to the operating system. Another drive, assume D drive. You can download all the softwares into D drive. You can develop all the programs into the D drive. Come on. Let us consider 3 drives are there. C drive, D drive, E drive. C drive completely for the operating system. D drive completely for the downloads and installation. E drive completely development. C drive operating system. D drive downloads and installations. E drive whatever programs you are developing, all complete projects development, programs development, any research, any learning in the E drive. It is always advisable to have 3 drives, but very unfortunately some systems are not having 3 drives. If 2 drives are there, one drive for operating system, other drive downloads, installation, development, everything. Unfortunately, if you have only one drive, then in the same drive, you can create multiple folders. One folder for downloads, another folder for development. Yes or no? It is always advisable to have 3 drives. If only one drive is there, in the same drive, try achieving all the things. But don't disturb operating system folders. Don't do anything in the operating system folders. Try creating separate folders. In my system, 3 drives are. What I'll be doing is, I'll use C drive for the operating system. I won't do anything in the C drive. D drive completely downloads and installations. D drive only downloads and installations. E drive, only development. All programs I'll be developing in the E drive. So go to the specific drive, whichever drive you are choosing for the downloads. Inside the drive, create one folder for the software's downloading purpose. Go to the D drive. If you don't have multiple drives, in the C drive itself, create one folder, whatever folder name I'm creating. Say here I have a 3 drives. I'm choosing D drive. In the D drive, create one folder, right click, new folder, right click in the D drive, go to the new, select a folder. Give a folder name with all lowercase alphabets and don't choose a space. From today onwards, you need to follow some conditions for a development. Every folder should have a lowercase alphabets, no uppercase, and no space. No space, only lowercase alphabets. Our batch name is June batch. I'm creating a folder with a name as June batch softwares. Don't give a space. I mentioned a hyphen in place of space. June hyphen batch hyphen softwares. Don't go for uppercase alphabets. Don't go for space. Wherever multiple words are there, separated between the words, it's a hyphen. June batch softwares. Go inside. Try downloading all 3 softwares into this folder. If you are downloading softwares into a particular folder, then whenever you wanted, you can use that softwares rather than downloading into C downloads folder. A specific folder I created. In this folder only all the softwares. Today we are downloading 3 softwares. After 10 days we will download Eclipse. After 1 month we will be downloading Oracle. After 2 months we will be downloading Spring Boot. All downloads we will be keeping here only. All will be in a particular place. You will not be getting confusion. Whenever you wanted any software, you can keep using. Don't try downloading into downloads folder. That will be doing by non-technical, non-software engineers. From today onwards, you have to feel yourself as a software engineer. You have to follow everything systematically. There should be a lot of difference between non-software engineer and software engineer. You should have a more sincerity, more clear organizing way. Now, let us try downloading all these 3 softwares. Before downloading, you need to do one small configuration in the Google Chrome. Open the Google Chrome, everybody. You know very well about Google Chrome. In the top right, there are 3 vertical dots in the Google Chrome. Top right, 3 vertical dots. Everybody please observe. Google Chrome, top right, three vertical dots, three vertical dots. Click on the three vertical dots. You can see settings. Everybody, top right, three vertical dots. Click on that and settings. In the settings, left side you can see advanced. Left side you can see advanced. Click on the advanced. Expand the advanced. Under advanced, you can see downloads. Click on the downloads. Click on the downloads. After clicking on the downloads, you can see in the right side one radio button. If this is disabled, then by default all softwares will be downloading into downloads folder. If it is disabled, try enabling. What is the meaning of enabling here? You're asking to the browser, whenever I'm downloading any software, you need to ask the location. Don't download straight away into the downloads folder. If this is disabled, browser will be downloading every software into downloads folder. If you enable this, browser will be asking the location for every download. Now you can see, ask where to save each file before downloading. We are enabling this property. Now browser will be keep on asking whatever you download. Assume we are downloading some YouTube videos. It will ask the location. You can choose a different location. You are trying to download some softwares. It will ask the location. You can choose different location. You are trying to download some material. It is asking the location. You can choose different location. You are trying to download some audio songs. Assume for our time pass purpose, you are downloading some kind of audio related. You can choose different, whichever you want. You will be having a liberty of choosing the location for every download. If it is disabled, blindly, it won't ask blindly every software, every audio file, every video file, every zip file, every material downloading into downloads folder. If all are going into the downloads folder, definitely you will be getting a confusion whenever you want to reuse any of the file. Got it? Software engineers should have a more systematic way to handle with the system. See, receptionist people, sales people, marketing people, everything they will be keeping in the downloads folder. Every document they will be developing under my documents or in the desktop. We are the software engineers. We should be controlling the system very effectively. Lot of things we will be developing in the system. There should be clear clarity on everything. Whatever you develop, whatever you download, whatever you something like a install, everything should have a more clarity. So everybody please enable this radio button. After enabling radio button, then go to the address bar. In the same tab or in the new tab, anyway. If you wanted, you can create a new tab also. You can click on new tab or in the same tab. Go to oracle.com for downloading JDK. Let me show downloading JDK, first software. Oracle.com. Wi-Fi is not there. Go to oracle.com. Net connection, madam. Connect to the net. Yes. Try checking once again. Oracle.com. After going to oracle.com, see in the top ribbon, it is like an advertisement window. You can close this top right. This is like one advertisement header. I'm closing this advertisement header. Now you can click on products. Click on products. Everybody click on products. Come little down in the products. Under products, you can see Java. Click on Java. Working now? Click on Java. Oracle.com, products, then Java. Everybody, Oracle.com, products, Java. Are you here? Everybody in this page? Go to oracle.com, products, Java. You can see download Java, top right. Under download Java, everybody, you can see Java 18 and Java 17. Go for Java 18. Java 18. Click on Java 18. Under Java 18, you can see Linux, Mac and Windows. Click on Windows. By default, Linux is showing. Click on Windows tab. Under Windows tab, first one, compressed archive. Compressed archive, 172 MB. There is a download link. So here, you have to click on this download link, not at the place of SHA256. Don't click on the place SHA256. Click on this particular location. Everybody, this is the location you have to click. Compressed JDK software we are trying to download. JDK, that is Java 18, Windows compressed one. Windows compressed one. Come on, guys. Click on 18. Click on Windows. Compressed archive. 172. Click on this download. So click on this. You got one pop-up window. It is asking to choose the location. We already created one folder for the download. Whatever folder you created for the download, select the same folder. Got it. In my system, I choose a folder in the E drive. Sorry, D drive. June batch software. Whatever folder you created for softwares, choose the same folder. Then click on save. Definitely it will take 4 to 5 minutes time to download. Let it download. Don't be hurry. Let it download. Once the downloading is completely got over, then we'll move to the second and third. Second and third both are simple softwares. This only will take more time. Second one and third one, it won't take more than 1 minute also. Done everybody? Still downloading? Let it download. So we downloaded JDK. Let us move to download Edit Plus. Everybody, go to the browser address bar, enter editplus.com. In the browser address bar, enter editplus.com. Under editplus.com, you can see download editplus second one. Click on this. Download editplus 5.5. After clicking download editplus 5.5, you can see one more download editplus 5.5. So click on this. You can see the pop-up window. Select the same softwares folder. Whichever folder you already selected, same folder by default it is selecting. It's downloading. It's a simple software. It won't take more than 1 minute to download. It will not be taking more than 1 minute to download. Downloaded, right? It's a simple software. Let's move to the third one. Guys, WinRAR. From the same address bar, win-rar.com. 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 You got this page? In this page, buy WinRAR, download WinRAR. Click on download WinRAR button. Download WinRAR. Click on download WinRAR. You got one pop-up window like this? So no problem. If you are not getting also, just to come little down. Are you finding one more download WinRAR? Click on this. Download WinRAR, not buy. Open one pop-up window. Check it out. Choose the same location again. Same software's location. Click on save. It is also very simple software. It won't take more than 10-15 seconds. It's maximum 1 minute. All three softwares got downloaded. All three softwares are downloaded into common folder. Before installing, try uninstallation. If already WinRAR is there, uninstall. Edit Plus is there, uninstall. JDK is there, uninstall. Sometimes some of your seniors or some of your relatives might have installed JDK, might have installed WinRAR, might have installed Edit Plus. Try uninstalling fully. Afterwards, you can install. Right from the beginning, I will be showing you how to uninstall any software from the system. How to uninstall any software from the system. Come to the left bottom, type here to search, add or remove. In the left bottom you can see, I just typed add. You will be getting automatically add or remove programs. Left to bottom, type here to search. Left to bottom, type here to search, add. You can select add or remove. Add or remove programs. Select this. Are you getting this window? Everybody? In this window, whichever programs you want to remove, whichever softwares you want to remove, you can select and remove. So here, in my system, already Edit Plus is there. I installed in the previous batch. I will be uninstalling now. In my system, edit place is there. In your system, it may not be there. If it is there, then select and click on uninstall. You can see edit place. Select the edit place. You can see uninstall. Click on uninstall. If it is there, if it is not there, don't worry. If it is not there, don't worry. Click on uninstall. Give a permission, yes. Click on yes. Click on yes. 1 second. Click on yes. Edit place is removed. Any software we can uninstall from this location. I'll show you one more time. Guys, everybody. Come to the left to bottom, type here to search. Left to bottom, type here to search. Just to type add. You can see add or remove programs. Select. Add or remove programs. Add or remove programs. Come to the little down. In my system, WinRAR also there. Let me uninstall WinRAR. This is the WinRAR which is already installed in my system in the previous batch. I am selecting uninstall. Click on uninstall. If it is there, if it is not there, don't worry. Click on yes. Click OK. Now one very important point. Your seniors might have installed JDK or JRE. If at all JDK or JRE available over here, select it, click on uninstall. In my system, JDK not installed. It is a uncompressed. You cannot find any JDK over here. Everybody, to avoid conflicts with available JDK and new JDK which we are installing, conflict should not be. Definitely your seniors might have installed JDK in your systems. Either your brothers, sisters, whoever already used it. If any JDK, please come from the top to bottom. You can see either JDK or JRE or Java. Whatever it may be. If any Java is there, JRE is there, JDK is there. In my system, nothing is there. In your systems also, no Java, no JDK, no JRE. If anything is there, please observe. If anything is there, select and uninstall. To avoid a conflict with existing JDK. Understood, everybody? In my system, JDK, it's updated in the path environment variable. I'm just removing that. You don't require to bother about that. I will show you how to update path environment variable. So no need of bothering this. This will not be available in your system. Yes. Now, my system is completely free from these three softwares. All these three softwares I have removed. JDK not available, Edit Plus not available, WinRAR also not available. Let us see one by one, one by one. JDK we will see after WinRAR. First try installing Edit Plus. It's very simple software. Edit Plus and WinRAR are very simple. No need of changing anything. Just clicking on installer. Keep going next, next, next. First let us see everybody Edit Plus. Guys, there is a downloaded file EPP. Double click on this EPP. Go next, next. Click OK or yes. No need of changing any default settings. Double click. Accept. Click on yes. Start to copy. Don't change anything. Congratulations. Very simple way of installing Edit Plus. Anybody can able to install. No need of doing any changes. Edit Plus got installed. How to use the Edit Plus, that I'll show you. So installation portion got over. Now go for WinRAR. Before WinRAR, you can see JDK symbol. JDK symbol, it looks like a folder symbol. That folder symbol will be changing after installing WinRAR. So let us install WinRAR. Everybody, double click on WinRAR. Click on yes. Install. Don't do any changes. Click on install. Don't do any changes here also. Click OK. Here done. Click OK. Finally, the last window is done. Don't do any changes. OK, yes, done. Accept. OK, yes, done. Automatically one Windows Explorer is open. Close this one. Once WinRAR installation got over, automatically this Windows Explorer is opened. Close it. Now you can observe JDK folder. Earlier it was like a folder symbol. Now it is a zip file symbol. Why? Because WinRAR is installed, system is recognizing zip file display procedure. Now, JDK, it is a compressed file. JDK, it is a compressed file, not the installable application file. What you have to do is, you need to uncompress. For the uncompressing purpose, you have to use WinRAR. WinRAR already installed. Our zip file recognized as a WinRAR file. Come on. Everybody able to see this zip file like this? Come on, guys. Go to softwares folder and check it out. Now, you need to uncompress. Uncompressing is nothing but extract. What it is showing? Right click on JDK downloaded file. You can find extract to JDK. If you are not finding this extract, you can check it out. Open with WinRAR archive. So easiest one is this one. Come on. Select extract to JDK Windows x64 bin. If this is not there, then go for open with WinRAR archive. Select WinRAR archive. If you have a extract to JDK, select this one. It's simple. Some operating systems are not showing this one. In that scenario, go for open with WinRAR archive. So let us consider you selected JDK 18. Then no need of doing anything. Whoever not able to see extract, those people click on WinRAR. I'm clicking on WinRAR archive. This window you can close. This is only for buying purpose. Close it. Now, after getting this one, you need to select extract to. You can see one extract to folder. Are you able to see? Click on extract to. Automatically you will be getting a folder, everything. Just click OK. Don't do any changes. It's okay, no problem. Same this also will be getting. Guys, click OK. Don't change any selected one. Like it. Now you can see in the folder. Are you getting JDK 18?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, actually, I had a network issue, so can you just tell me how to extract that GDK folder again?
Yes. So right click on JDK.
Thank you.
Right click on JDK WinRAR. Are you able to see extract to?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, select this extract to. That's all. If you are able to see extract to, that itself. Sometimes operating system not showing this one. I have seen in different batches. At that time, you can go open with WinRAR. If you are able to see extract to, select this one. If you are not seeing extract to, then click on WinRAR, then extract to. Click on extract to, click OK. It is asking like already it's available. Shall I replace? It's to all. Got it? See, if you get this folder, extracting got over. JDK extracting got over. Like uncompressed. While downloading, we downloaded compressed JDK file. Compressed JDK software. To uncompress, we required a WinRAR. We already installed WinRAR. Uncompressing very simple. Right click, extract to or open it. Now, this is the JDK software. Go inside a JDK software folder. Everybody. JDK software folder. There is a JDK 18011. Go inside this. You can find bin conf include jmods. Among all these folders, bin folder is very important. Bin stands for binary. Binary files available inside a bin folder. Binary. Go inside a bin folder. Binary. You will be knowing more about binary later. Don't worry anything about what is binary today itself. Come little down in this bin folder. Little down. Down. You can see some command files, Java command and Java C command. Two files I selected. Come little down. There is a Java file and a Java C file. These two are command files. These two commands we are using to develop every Java program. To develop every Java program, you have to use these two commands. Every day we are using these two commands. For every Java program, we are using these two commands. Java C command and Java command. These two commands are very much required for Java developer. Every day we are using for these two. For every program we are using these two commands. Every program. We are using these two commands for every program. Java C and Java. These two are command files. Command files. Command files we should run from the command prompt. There is a window called command prompt. From the command prompt only we should run these two command files. Please observe, Java C is one command, Java is another command. Java C is one command, Java is another command. Command files, Java C command and Java command. These two command files we should run from the command prompt. There is a window, command prompt. Let me show how to open a command prompt. How to trigger Java C command and Java command. Command files always we should run from the command prompt. Command files always we should run from the command prompt. So let me open command prompt. Come to the left bottom, type here to search. Everybody, left bottom, type here to search. Type CMD. Left bottom, type here to search CMD. Are you finding command prompt? Select the command prompt. You got the window like this. Command prompt. From this command prompt only, we need to run any command. Java C is one command, Java is another command. These commands we have to run only from the command prompt. While opening a command prompt, while opening a command prompt, by default it is opening to C drive, users folder and your username folder. Check it out. By default, the command prompt opens to the C drive, users folder and your username. In my system, username is a Dell. So here, if I trigger Java C command space, please type it, everybody. Java C space, Java C space, after space hyphen version, both together. Java C space hyphen version. Java-C space hyphen version. So you are getting one error message. Java-C is not recognized. Are you getting this type of message? If you are getting this message, the meaning of this message is, I don't know what is this Java-C. You are asking me to run the Java-C. Java-C is not recognized as an internal or external or operable or batch file. By default, command prompt, how it can come to know where is Java-C in your system? We installed JDK just now. By default, command prompt, it cannot recognize your command location. You are running from C users and del. Java-C available in the D drive. Somewhere, June batch D softwares inside that JDK folder. By default, command prompt will not be knowing the location of the command. We need to run one command. We observe where the command is there. It is available in the bin folder. That command should run from the command prompt. We opened a command prompt. Command prompt is open to C drive users del. From here, I am triggering even Java space hyphen version. Same type of error. Very simple, guys. How command prompt knows the location of your command straight away? Our commands are there in the JDK folder. How command prompt will come to know location of our commands? Yes, every command we should run from the command prompt. Every command should run from the command prompt. By default, command prompt is opening to C users and del. C users and del, that is user. I'm trying to trigger Java-C space with a hyphen version, Java also. Now, go to the drive where softwares folder is there. First drive. In my system, D colon. So in my system, D drive. In your systems, find out whichever drive. If it is a C drive, then mention like a CD space slash. It will go to the root. CD space slash, it will go to the root. Come on, guys. If it is C drive, if it is a C drive, assume your software's folder is there in the C drive. Then trigger this one. If your software's folder is there in the D drive, equal. If it is there in the E drive, equal. Got it? Two things you have to remember here. Drive can be represented through drive name and colon. Drive name and colon. If you want to come to the root of the drive in the same drive, go for backward slash. CD space slash. So please observe. I repeat once again. Come on, everybody. Left to bottom, type here to search. I'm typing CMD. If you go for CD space backward slash, it is coming to the root of C drive. Come on. CD space backward slash. It is coming to root of the same drive. Root of the same drive. Yes or no? If you want to change it to D drive, T colon. If you want to change it to E drive, E colon. If you want to change it to C drive, C colon. Drive colon represents a drive. Yes or no? In my system, T colon. After coming to the root of the current drive, then CD space. Come on, guys. CD stands for change directory. CD stands for change directory. CD space June. No need of typing the detailed folder. I just typed June, then tab. Just type few characters, then tab. Automatically you are getting remaining characters. Yes or no? CD stands for change directory. CD space. In the D drive only this folder is there. Yes or no? Go to this folder. Press enter. Now once again CD space everybody. Get. You are in which drive? Current drive? In the C drive only folder created? Go to the E drive, CD space. In whichever drive you created a folder, in that drive only. If it is a C drive, be in the C drive. If it is in the D drive, be in the D drive. Then CD space June, then tab. You are getting this much? June, whatever, like the first few characters you can type in the folder, whatever first few characters. If your folder name is software, then like a first three. Press enter. Have you got it? Just to check it out in which drive you have. E drive, right? Go to the E drive. Go to E drive. Guys, everybody inside a bin. I'll show you one more time. I'm closing this command prompt. CMD. Everybody please observe. In my system, softwares folder is there in the D drive. D colon. In my system, in the D colon. CD space. I created a folder with a name as June batch softwares. I typed June, then press tab. I typed June, then pressing a tab. Automatically you'll be getting June batch softwares. This is the folder in the D drive we created today. Yes or no? We only created in the D drive. Inside this, we downloaded all JDK every software. There is one folder with the JDK unzipped bundle. Come on. CD space JDK. Press tab. You are getting JDK 64 bin. Come on. One folder. Then CD space. There is one more JDK folder. JDK tab. CD space. JDK tab. You are getting this, everybody? CD space B then tab or bin. Just B with a tab. Bin. You can type bin also. It's a simple right. We are inside a bin folder. In this folder only Java C command and Java command available. Come on. Now trigger Java C with version. Are you getting a version now? Java C space hyphen version. Enter. Press enter. JavaC space hyphen version. You will be getting JavaC 18.0.1.1. Everybody getting? Same way. Trigger Java space. I'll check it out. Okay. So please check it out. Java space hyphen version. Java space hyphen. Don't call this as a minus. Hyphen. You have to call this as a hyphen. Hyphen version. You are getting 3 lines of output. So here detailed information. For Java, see only version. For Java, in the runtime, lot of things are involving. Every information it is provided. We are able to run Java C command and Java command. Everybody, come on. Online people, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How to trigger Java C command and Java command from C drive, from E drive, from F drive, that I'll show you tomorrow. Got it? Now you got to know triggering Java C command and Java command from the bin folder. That is from the place where Java C and Java available. Is how to trigger these two from E drive, from C drive, from F drive. All I'll be showing you in the next day. That's all for today. We'll continue tomorrow.